For decades, hearing loss has been classified as irreversible. Once auditory cells deteriorate, traditional neurobiology claimed there was no path to restoration. But recent investigations across centers in Jaipur, Stanford, and the Canary Islands have unlocked a surprising truth. Auditory regeneration may be possible through neuroplastic activation, powered by a natural supplement rooted in an Indian formula. This formula blends 9 botanical agents, each selected for its unique action on the auditory system. Rhodiola, found in volcanic caves of the Canary Islands, calms cerebral waveforms essential to sound processing and reduces neural inflammation, while also curbing earwax formation, a dual advantage for acoustic clarity. Ashwagandha, harvested from moss-covered dunes in Central Asia, has been shown to fortify the tympanic membranes, suppress background noise interference, and stimulate the growth of auditory supportive filament cells. Chamomile, widely cultivated in North America, exhibits anti-inflammatory properties that target both systemic and inner ear swelling. Beyond those, the formula includes Melissa officinalis, or lemon balm, which elevates oxygen supply to auditory tissues, enhancing cell vitality. Solidago, traditionally used by indigenous tribes, activates cellular regeneration in cochlear architecture. Hawthorn extract improves microvascular blood flow, delivering nutrients crucial for auditory restoration. Passionflower aids in the recovery phase by relaxing overstressed hearing receptors. Finally, valerian acts as a neural stabilizer, enhancing resilience in sound-transmitting circuits. Unlike conventional auditory devices which amplify sound artificially, this natural supplement primes the auditory cortex for endogenous repair. Clinical neuroimaging reveals a cascade of signal transmission through the cochlea and temporal lobe, triggered by this botanical blend. Dormant receptor sites begin to light up, and the brain initiates remapping of lost auditory functions through the principles of auditory neuroplasticity. In trials, over 85% of participants showed measurable improvements in speech recognition, tonal discrimination, and auditory depth within just 21 days. Reports document reduced tinnitus intensity, sharper frequency sensitivity, and improved auditory endurance in noisy environments. The restoration was not only functional, it was experiential. People began to enjoy music again, follow conversations effortlessly, and reconnect with their surroundings through sound. These findings suggest a biological breakthrough. Through a precisely calibrated Indian formula, delivered as a natural supplement, auditory regeneration is no longer just a theory, but a tangible possibility backed by both ancestral wisdom and modern neuroscience. To delve deeper into this scientific discovery and explore comprehensive data, access detailed reports. Link in video description.